Hi everybody, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video we are gonna learn how to update your OANDA application on your smartphone so that you can make sure you have the latest feature, bug fixes and security updates. So first of all, make sure that the device you are using is connected to a stable internet and launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Now, go ahead and type down OANDA in the search bar. Once you do that, open up the OANDA Forex and CFD Trading app from the search result and look if there is an update button available. If there is, tap on update and download the latest version of OANDA application on your device. If you don't see the update, then it means you already have the latest version installed on your device. So that's it. That is how you can easily update and find the latest version of OANDA app on your Android or iOS. Having the latest update will have latest improvement and trading tools ready to use. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.